Hi, I'm Alex from Barrierboard Australia. This is a small sample of Barrierboard. It comes in 1.2 by 2.4 metres by 32 millimetres or 2.7 by 1.2 and 32 millimetre sizes. It's the best product of its type in the world. It is a sound blocker. It's made exclusively here in our factory in Research, Victoria, and it's the only place you can get in the world. What about German folk music? Air traffic. We all love dogs, but not when their neighbours' dogs are barking. Down, boy. That's better. That's way better. Trains. Gone. Parties, 18th, 21st, bar mitzvahs, doesn't matter. They make noise. Lots of people make noise. Annoying if you're trying to sleep. Good night. So remember, if you're an architect, you're an acoustic engineer, you have an apartment, you're in a dual lock site, you have an office, you have a psychology practice or a psychologist practice. In fact, anywhere you need discretion. If the noise is getting to you, it is a health issue, ring us or go to our website and get in contact with us and we'll give you a free measure and quote to fit the world's best sound blocking product. I've been Alex, you've been watching.